To get started, I just added a cut-up video to my timeline that I'd like to add a blur effect to. Now let's begin by right-clicking in the project panel and go to New Item Adjustment Layer. Then drag the adjustment layer above your video, and drag the adjustment layer's end so that duration matches your video clips. We're using an adjustment layer because without it, you'd have to add the blur effect to each clip individually. Alright, next, let's go over to the Effects panel and type Gaussian Blur into the search box. Drag the Gaussian Blur effect under your adjustment layer. Then make sure your adjustment layer is selected and go over it to Effect. In here under Gaussian Blur, increase a blurriness to your liking. I'll set mine to 75 check repeat edge pixels to get rid of that black shadow around your video. Okay, this works if you want to simply blur your video out. But let's say instead you'd like to fade the blur in to do this a first position. The playhead to where you want to start blurring your video and set the blurriness to 0. Click the stopwatch next to blurriness to create a starting keyframe. Next, move the playhead to when you'd like the video to be completely blurred by, and then increase the blurriness, all set mine to 75 like before. Okay, now when I play this back, my blur fades in. To adjust the speed of the blur's fade, just drag the second keyframe closer or further to the first one. To blur your video back out, move the playhead to where you'd like to start fading the blur. Click this little circle to create a keyframe for the current blurriness of your video. Then move the playhead to when you want your video to be unblurred by, and click this reset button to create. A keyframe for the blurriness is original value, which is, okay, now when I play this back, my video not only blurs in, but blurs out as well. That's all for me, so thanks for watching and see you guys next time.